Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the Agri Current Affairs of June 2021. And the first CA is Agriculture Minister launched Horticulture Cluster Development Program. Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar sir virtually launched Horticulture Cluster Development Program, and this initially will be implemented in 12 horticulture clusters, which is out of total 53 clusters, and this will be implemented by National Horticulture Board, and this is mainly to identify the various developing horticulture clusters and make them globally competitive, and this will be beneficial for nearly 10 lakh farmers and related stakeholders. And while coming on to National Horticulture Board, the headquarters of this is located at Gurugram, Haryana. And the next CA is Agriculture Minister launched Seed Mini Kits program. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar sir launched Seed Mini Kits program, where seed mini kits containing high yielding variety seeds are distributed to the farmers, and this mini kits is provided by National Seeds Corporation, National Agriculture Cooperation Marketing Federation of India, and Gujarat State Seed Corporation, and this was funded by Centre through National Food Security Mission. And the next CA is IFFCO, world's first nano urea liquid for farmers. IFFCO introduces world's first nano urea for farmers, and the production of this nano urea liquid has been commenced from June 2021. And this nano urea liquid will replace conventional urea, and the demand of the urea can be reduced to at least 50%. And the next CA is Northeast Region Farmers under Biotech Kisan program. Department of Biotechnology under the Ministry of Science and Technology has issued special call to farmers of Northeast region under the program Biotech Krishi Innovation Science Application Network, which is shortly called as Biotech Kisan. The main objective of this program is to identify and understand the farmers' problems and provide them scientific solution. The main aim of this program is to increase the income of the farmers. While coming to Biotech Kisan, this is the Scientist Farmer Partner Scheme, where it is launched in the year 2017 for agriculture innovation. And the next CA is World's first genetically modified rubber planted in Assam. World's first genetically modified rubber sampling was planted in Rubber Boats Sarutari Research Farm in Guwahati, Assam. This genetically modified rubber was developed by Rubber Research Institute of India under Rubber Board. And the next CA is 3 Centers of Excellence in Karnataka under Indo-Israel Agricultural Project. And the 3 Centers of Excellence are Centers of Excellence Kolar for mango, Centers of Excellence Bagalkot for pomegranate, Center for Excellence Dharwad for vegetables. And the next CA is fixation of nutrient-based subsidy rate for P&K for the year 2021 to 2022. This fixation of nutrient-based subsidy rate for phosphorus and potassium was governed by nutrient-based subsidy scheme, where a total of rupees 14,775 crores has been given for this under this subsidy, and the per kg subsidy rate for nitrogen is rupees 18.789, and for phosphorus it is rupees 45.323, and for potassium it is 10.116, and for sulfur it is rupees 2.374. And the other important agriculture CAs are Narendra Singh Tomar sir virtually inaugurated Indus Best Mega Food Park at Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and this food park will support farmers by reducing the wastage of agricultural produce and ensure value addition. And the next CA is Chhattisgarh CM launched CM's Tree Plantation Promotion Scheme. Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Baghel sir launched CM's Tree Plantation Promotion Scheme, which was virtually launched, and this aims to protect the environment and increase income of farmers, panchayats, and forest management committees. And the next CA is West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee ma'am relaunched Krisak Bandhu scheme, and in this, where earlier it was given rupees 5,000 to the farmers, and now it is relaunched and rupees 10,000 is given to farmers with cultivable land. And the next CA is Gujarat CM launched Agricultural Diversification Scheme 2021 for tribal farmers to help them with fertilizers and seeds assistance of rupees 31 crores, where under this fertilizers and seeds are provided. And the next CA is 15-meter tree of coffee has been identified in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 15-meter tall tree Pyrostria lalji, a new species belonging to coffee family, has been identified in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And the next CA is new species of coffee plant is discovered in Vagamon Hills in Kerala, which is named as Argostemma quarantina. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're watching for this first time, and don't forget to hit the bell button too. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And you can also join to my Telegram channel. I'll keep the link of the channel in description. You can go check it out there. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.